Kroll family, whose teenage son was killed by a Lee County Sheriff's deputy as he rode his bike, is now suing the deputy and his employer, the Lee County Sheriff's Office. In August, 15-year-old Austin Duquette was hit by Deputy Douglas Hood while he was riding his bike to school on Kismet Parkway. He died from his injuries days later. Deputy Hood was cleared of all criminal charges for being behind the wheel, but the civil case against him has now been set into motion by Austin's family. Fox 4's Sarah Belsel getting the family's attorney on the phone tonight as she takes you back to the scene of the crash.
This white bike sits on Kismet Parkway, flowers on the handlebars, a band T-shirt spread along the back tire, all just feet away from where 15-year-old Austin Duquette was killed last August. He was riding his bike to Mariner High School when Lee County Sheriff's Deputy Douglas Hood struck and killed him. Hood was originally cited for careless driving, but the charge was changed to failure to stay in a lane. In March, a judge found him not guilty. But now Austin's mom is filing this wrongful death lawsuit against Deputy Hood and the Sheriff's Office. I spoke on the phone with Randall Spivey, Austin's family's attorney.
They do not want his death to be in vain. They want this case and this lawsuit to raise awareness for bicycle safety so that cars share the roads with bikes and children.
The suit seeks damages in excess of $15,000 and alleges Deputy Hood was speeding, left his lane, and intentionally looked at his laptop while driving. Spivey says the not guilty verdict in the criminal case will not have any impact on the civil case.
That burden of proof would be beyond a reasonable doubt, whereas in the civil case, the standard of proof is the greater weight of the evidence, a totally different standard.
He says he will also be able to introduce new evidence in civil court, like that Deputy Hood reportedly made statements he was looking at his computer at the time of the crash, and that Austin's bike may have had reflectors on it. Sarah Belsel, Fox 4, in your corner.
Now, the Sheriff's Office says it does not comment on pending lawsuits. Deputy Hood is on active duty with the Sheriff's Office. You can let us know what you think about Austin's family filing a wrongful death lawsuit against the deputy in the Sheriff's Office right now. 239-206 Fox 4 News at Fox 4 Now.